Vapors, a luxurious folding phone, just launched before few days ago. Fast refresh rate, OLED display, super slim in design, mid-segment 5G processor, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Honor Vapors. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. So this is the Honor Vapors phone in white packaging. On the top of the box you will find the phone's branding, and there is a branding for the Magic OS. Upon opening the box, the first thing you will see in the unfolded state Honor Vapors phone. This package includes a 35-watt adapter, a Type-C to Type-A cable and a SIM ejector tool. Let's talk about the design and build quality of the Honor Vapors. You can see the phone's first look here, and it's indeed a large folding screen phone. When you look at the phone from the side, it appears quite slim. The back of the phone has a plain texture that resembles the smooth leather. The Honor Vapors is available in light blue color, and when folded, it takes on the appearance of the small wallet. In fact, it names itself purse, implies a wallet-like design. You can even attach a chain to it, making it resemble a small bag. When folding the phone, you will hear a satisfying and crisp locking sound, and when closed, it feels quite lightweight. Indeed, the phone is incredibly light, weighing just 214 grams. I believe it could be one of the world's slimmest folding screen phone. You can also see the phone's thickness here, which is slimmer to the regular phone. Holding it will feel quite similar to holding a standard smartphone. Moving to the camera area, it's located at the top, slightly raised and has a delicate appearance. Here, you will find a 2 camera lens and a LED flash. Below that, there is a buckle for locking, which resemble a wallet buckle. Indeed, the Honor Vapors offers a unique and luxurious feel compared to regular folding phone. The phone screen feels solid and hinge part is notably robust. When it comes to the display, it features a large 7.7-inch 2K screen that delivers a natural and vibrant colors. The display also boasts a peak brightness of up to 1600 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in sunlight. Additionally, it includes a high-frequency PWM dimming feature at 2160 Hz, enhancing the overall display quality. When you fold the phone, you will also find a screen on the back, and this screen displays the decorative animations. There are various styles of animations to choose from, and they contribute to the purse-like design of the phone. Regardless of whether you place the phone in the front or the back position, you will be able to view notifications. Folding or unfolding the screen also triggers sound effects, and you have the options to customize the sound effects. Regarding the camera setup, the Honor Vapors features a dual camera setup. In the camera department, the Honor Vapors is equipped with the primary 50-megapixel Sony IMX800 camera and a secondary 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The secondary camera also serves as a macro lens. The camera apps allows you to select the 3 focal length. When you unfold the phone, you will notice that this thickness is incredibly slim, measuring just 4.3mm, making it the world's thinnest phone. As a trade-off for this slim profile, the battery capacity might be on the smaller side. However, the battery is divided into 2 sections within the phone. That's right, the Honor Vapors battery is indeed 4500 mAh, which is quite reasonable, giving it a slim profile. Overall, the phones feel solid, and when unfolded, it resembles a paper screen mobile. When it comes to the performance, it's equipped with the Snapdragon 778G 5G processor, placing its hardware specification in the mid-segment category. Regarding the price of the base variant, it starts from 5,999 Chini Yuan, which roughly converts to around £690 in UK and $833 US. Notably, even the base variant offers a whopping 16GB of RAM, 256GB of storage. Friends, I will be uploading a detailed review of the phone soon, where I will cover the camera test, gaming test, performance test and battery test in the app. So stay connected with our channel for that. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.